Hey guys, for this costume tutorial, I definitely recommend using some kind of eyeshadow primer or cream eyeshadow base as I'm doing. We're also going to be running this along our lower lash line. Now taking a flat packing brush, we're going to be using the color Cricket from this very bright eyeshadow palette. This color is going to be packed all across and all over my lid, as well as on the inner corner. We'll also be taking this up above my crease just a little bit, and at the outer V, we're going to make an upwards pointing triangle that ends at the end of my eyebrow, just like this. This is actually the part I struggled the most with doing when I was practicing. Okay, so taking this fluffy blending brush and a hot pink color from the same palette, I'm going to be applying this on my brow bone. I know you wouldn't normally put something bright that high up on your eye, but this is a crazy costume, so bear with me. And then using the exact same brush, I'm going to be using that bright purple color by flipping my brush over and applying the product on the other side. We're going to be blending this in on top of the pink that I'm already wearing, just because I didn't have a color that I liked for a pinky purple, so I'm just going to be making it like this. Obviously, if you have one that looks right, use that instead. Also, you don't have to be using the exact products I'm using, but I will list in the description just because I kind of like to see what people use, and I don't know, you guys might like to see what I'm using too. So using that shimmery color I just showed you, it's going to become an inner kind of highlighting color there. And the next step after this is actually going to be eyeliner. I'm using a pencil eyeliner, as you can see, because I left my liquid liner in Canada. But I would definitely recommend using some kind of liquid eyeliner or eyeliner pen instead, because you'll get a much more defined, tidier looking color. And as you can see, this kind of tugs on my eye a little bit, which isn't good. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of pencil eyeliners. So then going into the kind of lowest part of the V in the green, right between the green and the purple, I know you can't see it very well, but we're going to be drawing a line that goes right up and ends at the end of my eyebrow as well. It should kind of look like two really random long lashes you've drawn onto yourself. Speaking of lashes, yes, I'm curling mine. That does not feel nearly as painful as it looks. With my mascara, I like to wiggle the wand a little bit at the base of my lashes just to separate the lashes and make sure that I'm getting a really good coat on at the base. Then using a smudging brush, we're going to apply that same color Cricket along my lower lash line where we applied that cream before. I'm going to be filling in my brows for this look. I know that color is not right for me, but it's all I had, so I just thought I would make do with it just for the sake of this video. Using a blush, that is, I think, Plum Wine by Maybelline. I'm just going to smear that onto my face and then blend it out the way that I like it. And we're also going to be applying a second blush on top of this, something a little bit more shimmery. And I think that's one of the Physician Formulas one, but as you'll be able to see, I took it out of the packaging, so I have no idea what color it actually is. So I'm just applying that over top. Now using the same highlighting color we used on the inner eyes, I'm going to be applying this to the high points of my cheekbone as well as down the center of my nose, just to add a little bit of light. Then from the same box palette, we're going to be using the darker color to contour my cheeks. Remember, you have to suck your cheeks in to find the hollows. I'm not going to be bronzing the rest of my face, I'm just going to be doing the hollows of my cheeks. Next is lipstick. Yes, that is a white lipstick, but it's one of those ones that's like pH sensitive, so you're about to see it go pink. And then to tone it down a little bit, I applied a second pink lipstick. So this is the finished look, and if you are new to my channel and you're wondering what is wrong with this girl, so many things. But I'm just trying to have a little bit of fun, so please don't leave comments telling me that I look so ridiculous, because I know that I look ridiculous. I'm just having fun, okay? So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, even just to get a few laughs, and I will see you guys next week. Goodbye! I look like a magazine cover for the 80s.